Welcome back to Filmoments tutorial. In this video I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. Open your Facebook app, then tap on the three-line icon. Scroll down, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Language. Scroll down and look for this language. This step is very important so that the option to lock your profile will appear. Tap on it. After that, tap on your profile again. Tap on this three dots. Then click on this option. Tap on the blue button to lock your profile. Then tap again to confirm. Now let's go back and go to language again. Tap on English. Click your profile. Tap on the three dots. There's an option now to unlock your profile, meaning your profile now is already locked. Only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories. To unlock your profile, simply tap on Unlock. And then unlock your profile. Click OK and you're back to public. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.